Okay, this is Venkat from Fin.com. I've been doing this work for the past 3+ years after I lost my job in the IT sector. And I realized that people don't want to be sales driven. They love to invest directly in the mutual fund on their own. And they want some kind of expert hand holding to review their portfolio, to give some suggestions, to do some tweaks here and there. Let's say they want to invest some lump sum or do some retirement planning or early retirement planning. They use my services. So if you want to do this overall financial planning for you, message me specifically that this is the service you want. Ask me what is the consulting fee and let us proceed. Number one. Number two, second service I offer is insurance is a sales driven industry, and I try to break that because people anyway they are paying me a consulting fee, so I don't have to take efforts to push a brand to them. Why people use my services during health insurance research phase? Before they buy a product, they want to ensure they are with the right brand. They will ask me questions on the pros and cons of the product. Or you would have researched some product. Someone would have called you and asked you to buy a product during the when you are buying a fresh product, or also when you are buying a when you are porting a product. Okay, at this time also people use my consulting for health insurance services. The only product that I myself love to issue is a term insurance product. I love creating term insurance awareness. I love to issue that product. Even for that, people use my consulting services. The only thing is that I never follow up. I never call them again, because people are using my time and they are paying me for that. I'm happy about it. Just that my sales cycle will be very, very long. Sometimes people will take 1 week time. There are some of my clients who have bought a term insurance after 6 months, and all those 6 months I'll be waiting. And they have all the freedom to buy from online platforms or anyone else they have chosen. And eventually, sometimes they will get through me. When they are getting through me alone, I will give a first year premium discount which they are expecting. Okay. Now this is the services I offer. My number will be in the venkatfin.com or in the description. Message me. But remember, once again, when you are messaging me, ask me what is the consulting fee and then only proceed. Now I will get into detailed. Okay, in any of my videos, what I have done is I've done a review of the product. It could be a mutual fund portfolio, it would be a mutual fund product review, or it could be a health insurance company's product review, or a life insurance company product review. Do not buy or invest in any product based on my video. I don't want to influence your financial. Even if you consult me, I don't want to influence you. I will ask you to take decision. Mutual fund investors are subject to market risk. Read all the scheme letter documents carefully. When you are buying a health insurance product or a life insurance product, remember insurance is a industry. Even after you consult me, sometimes I will give you freedom to buy from whoever you choose to buy. If you are eventually buying from others, only they have to serve you for lifetime. Remember that. Okay. So these are the clients I have. So okay, the consulting session is both for Indians and NRIs. We will learn. It will be a one-on-one personal session. We just have to message and come up with a mutually convenient time. We will understand your financial goal, about your family, income status, and so when it comes to insurance domain, what I do is expectation management. What you can expect from a product. Okay. And remember, see yourself whether I'm worth it. If you think I'm worth it, then message me. Otherwise, just ignore me. It's a very, very humble request. Thank you so much, guys, for your kindness. A human being, after he lost my job, after last people like you are paying me, and they are making at least helping me and my mother to survive. So that is why I want to express my gratitude. So these are the 3 services I offer. Specifically, I will continue to health insurance consulting. So why people wanted to use the consulting services for health insurance? They want to ensure they are going with the right brand. I get data from people whenever there is a complaint from a brand. So they want to learn about that. Let's say you have researched the company. People will ask for my opinion about that. Many people have done this consulting services. Yeah, I'm happy about it. Okay. But remember, when you buy from others, whoever you are eventually buying, they should offer services. Okay, when it comes to health insurance, I never issue myself. So anyway, you are going to buy from others only. Any online platform. Okay. Second thing, when it comes to term insurance, this is the only product that I issue. But eventually, 1 in every 2 person who consult me only will buy from me, because of the way they structure the product. Sometimes I myself encourage them to buy through the channel they have chosen. Okay, through the online platform or whatever it is. So life insurance companies these are the products life insurance company offers. It could be a pure term insurance or a term insurance plus a big life cover. Any product which has a big life cover, and also they invest in the market, or it will be a savings product, which is like a market link product, almost like mutual fund, or it will be a participating plan. You depend upon the bonus offered by the life insurance company to get that particular maturity benefit, or it will be a pension plan. Of this, I love issuing a pure term insurance product. Okay. Secondly, the most lots of guys, especially NRIs in the corporate domain, they have this notion that you should not mix insurance in the investment. I will be very honest with you. I also come from your place only. Even now, I'm doing some work in the IT sector. So remember this logic very, very clearly. Not everyone are eligible for pure term insurance. We have to see your eligibility is there for pure term insurance or not. That also you have to take into account. Okay. And when it comes to term insurance consulting, remember sometimes people consult me after they buy a product also, not only even before they buy. But I appreciate people when they consult me before they buy a product, because that is more convenient. They can take a proper decision. Sometimes they consult me after the loading fee is applied. They will ask me whether it is okay doing this loading fee, whatever it is. Sometimes people consult me after the project is rejected. Very rarely in this situation, very rarely I am also able to help, because your when the other life insurance company enter the data, your PAN card data, it will be displayed to the second life insurance company where you are applying. So it will be very, very difficult for me to get you a policy when you are in this category, rejected category. But some people have been successful in getting even after rejection. So, but don't randomly call me and ask me whether we can get it or not. If you are interested, if you trust me, get into the consulting session. Let us see the possibility, because I am not forcing you to consult, right? Very few people choose my services. Okay. And one of the mistake people in the corporate sector or even NRS do is that they go in the claim settlement ratio. Claim settlement ratio is basically, the ethics of the company, brand ethics from that. I agree with that. But it is the data of someone else. Are you sure that the way you structure the product, the way you convey your health status, your income status, is your family going to get the claim? So we have to analyze that. So don't stop only based on claim settlement ratio. Don't choose a life insurance company. That's my humble request. People choose me especially to ensure that they have chosen the right ethical brand when it comes to buying a term insurance. Okay. I give enough time. I have no sales target. I just live with my mom and me. And so you don't have to worry about it. But very, very humble request. People, why I'm making the intro video, people receive my other videos. They just randomly message me and ask me for free service. See, if you want not to be sales driven, then I have to work with the consulting fee model, right? Try to understand that. So don't waste your time also, mine and my time also. When it comes to mutual funds, people, this is what we do in overall financial planning session. I review your insurance side, what you have done, health insurance and life insurance side, what you have done. When it comes to wealth creation, early retirement plan, what you have done, what you have done when it comes to FD or gold, investments in gold or mutual fund portfolio. We have to try to see how you can create a kind of 5 crore or 1 crore or even at least 50 lakh corpus for yourself and for your children's education. So this is what we do in overall financial planning session. Some people use my services like this. They pay me a fee every 6 months and they will they invest in the direct mutual funds and they will review their portfolio through me. So this is also another services that I offer. My business is very, very small. I'm a minuscule dust in the whole financial planning or financial insurance consulting industry. Message me only if you trust me, if you believe me. Just that if someone if buys a term insurance product, for that particular product for lifetime, I have to give a support. Okay. So that is what I want to tell you, convey in this intro video. A very, very humble request. If you want to do something in the insurance sector, if you have already been pitched about a product, or if you have researched a product, or if you have already invested or going to invest. So this is the scenario people use my consulting services, because they want to ensure that they are not buying a they are not pitched a false product or a product with a false guarantee or something like that. They want to ensure that they are choosing the right product. So message me any time of the day. Once again, you might be irritated when I say, ask me what is the consulting fee. But remember, this intro video itself is because people randomly message me so much. But sometimes I'll be happy in a day when nobody consults me. When nobody consults me the whole week, I'm happy about it. But when people from Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Gujarat, from randomly from any parts of India, I get messages and calls from Bangalore. Of course, Tamil Nadu, Kerala people message me sometimes. But you have to understand that when I try to be ethical and I try to be not to be sales driven, I have to depend on earning my living using this consulting fee model. And I also suggest alternative products and issue only when you ask for it, because very few people have taken a term insurance through me. My actual count is somewhere around 80 people have taken a pure term insurance through me. Pure term insurance are a product which has a big life cover, basically. Minimum 50 lakhs to maximum 15 crore I have issued. So message me any time of the day if you think I will be I'll be useful for you. Um, my services will be useful for you. If you think my services will not be useful for you, just a like to this video will be enough, so that someone who might use my services, it will help me to earn my living. It is actually one session. Once again, that also I am telling you, clarifying. But when people buy a term insurance through me, they have chosen me one, two, three times. We will speak so that eventually they can decide. Okay, they can choose me. That's it. So that is it, guys. I'm sorry for speaking too long, because when people see my product video, they are not understanding what I am doing. So I want to ensure that this is what I do. If you think it is worth it, message me. If you think it is not worth it, just skip this video and leave me alone, so that I will spend my time with my mother. I lost my father, and at least my time I want to spend with my mother. That's it. Thank you so much and good luck to you.